So me actually I go for a run right now. Me I go actually chill with the guys them later too. So yeah, me not think me I come back in early. About 2, about 2:30.
Okay, have a good time.
Really? Like, you alright with that?
Of course.
You sure?
Of course, me sure.
Alright, I'm not going now. Me pull the door.
Be careful out there, right?
Alright. Me gone now. Got me gone out.
Yeah.
Alright. Like, you know, I come in late still, you know, so I don't know, I'm not sure if you're alright with it. Oh, yeah, alright. Do I kind of look like I look a smudge there on it. So, boy, I know still, you sure you want nothing? You sure you want me to go? Like, I'm not gonna feel long in the middle. You sure?
Me fighter, sure. You can go on.
Oh yeah, back I kind of look dirty like that, so I wash them. So yeah, kind of go out now. Yeah. You sure? You really sure you want me to go? What do you think?
Go on. Me say fi go on.
May I stay? May I stay? No, but may I stay? Hear me now, man.
Hard work every drop it every day on the grind. So if you guys not stop when they make it big time. Back it up if fat ask J ask 9. Long time me I do it and fine. But the freak you feeling me go pass the ceiling. For the haters them me no need no dealings. To the top me facing love God embracing my flow. So waving them boys so love KFC and tasty.